What are you waiting for? Time doesn't care about your plans, excuses, or hesitation. Every second you spend debating whether to start or continue is a second you'll never get back. Life isn't a rehearsal. It's happening right now, whether you're ready or not. Think about it. The most valuable resource in your life isn't money, talent, or connections. It's time. It's the one thing you can never replace. You can rebuild your finances, reinvent yourself, and recover from failure. But time, once it's gone for good. Every moment spent idle is a moment surrendered to nothingness. How much longer are you willing to wait? How many more days will you waste? Time is relentless. It keeps moving forward, whether you're tired, scared, or unsure. The question is, are you moving with it, or are you being left behind? You've been conditioned to believe in limitations, to stay inside the box, to follow the path laid out for you by others. But your potential is far greater than that. The truth is, you're capable of bending your reality by changing how you think, what you believe, and most importantly, how you act. Freeing your mind is the first step to creating the life you've always wanted. We've all heard the saying, time is money, but that's bullshit. Time is infinitely more valuable. Lose money and you can earn it back. But no billionaire, no matter how powerful, can buy even a single second more when their time runs out. The truth hits hard when you realize how much time is wasted on distractions. Scrolling through social media, binge watching shows, these are choices, not habits. And every choice you make is either investing in your freedom or keeping you enslaved to mediocrity. I've faced this head on. Building Nova Society Finance wasn't about playing it safe. It was about making every moment count. I've sacrificed sleep, pushed through fear, and worked through doubts to create something meaningful. Every moment I chose to act rather than wait shaped the story I'm living now, and it's far from over. Regret doesn't come from failure, it comes from missed opportunities and wasted potential. The people on their deathbeds don't regret the risks they took. They regret the dreams they didn't chase. Don't let that be your story. You have this moment right now, this gift, and with it comes responsibility. What will you do with it? Every day is a blank slate. What matters isn't the time you've wasted, but the time you have now. Use it wisely, and you can rewrite your story. Squander it, and you'll join those who carry the heavy burden of regret. Think of your time as currency. Every minute is a coin. How are you spending yours? Successful people don't let distractions steal their time. They guard it, plan it, and use it with purpose.
But my biggest responsibility is to make sure you get your time's worth. And the reason I say that is because time is more valuable than money. In fact, you might start your notes with that. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but unfortunately you can't get more time. If somebody asks you to spend your money, that's pretty easy, right? We live in America, we're wealthy, so the money's not the problem. But what if somebody asks you to spend a day, right? You got to think that over carefully. And I know you did. I wouldn't waste one of my days, not for anybody, not for anything. Once I understood how valuable they were, I don't waste any. But to make an investment like today of your money and your time, I appreciate that. Today's going to be costly for me. It's going to cost me one of my days to be here, right? And some money, of course. But, you know, I don't need the money. I take the money, but I don't need the money. But yes.
Time management isn't just about being productive. It's about honoring your own life. Your reality doesn't change because you wish it to. It changes because you take action to make it happen. You have to break free from the chains of excuses and self-doubt. The world wants you to believe you're stuck, but you're not. You're the one in control. So why haven't you started yet? Fear, doubt, laziness? Be honest. Excuses are comfortable. They let you stay in your safe, familiar bubble. But every time you choose comfort over action, you're choosing mediocrity over greatness. Here's the hard truth. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Conditions will never be ideal. The only way to move forward is to start now, with what you have and where you are. Excuses might make you feel safe, but they won't build the life you want. Discipline is what separates those who succeed from those who don't. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it. It means taking that first step even when it's scary as hell. Every excuse you make is just another barrier between you and your goals. Tear them down. Progress doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to happen. Start small. Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Replace one unhealthy habit with a better one. Read one chapter of a book that will expand your mind. These small, consistent actions build momentum, and momentum creates results. Your life is like a plane adjusting its course by 1 degree. At first, the change feels insignificant, but over time it leads you to an entirely different destination. The key is persistence. Like a river carving through rock, progress comes from consistency, not brute force. Freeing your mind means letting go of the idea that change has to be dramatic to be effective. The most powerful shifts happen when you believe in your ability to act, not when you wait for perfect conditions. You have that same power. Take it. Change is uncomfortable, it's painful, but that pain is temporary, and it's a sign you're growing. Regret, on the other hand, is permanent. Imagine looking back 10 years from now. Will you be proud of the choices you made, or will you wish you had tried harder? The pain of discipline is far lighter than the weight of regret. Discipline strengthens you. Regret weakens you. Every time you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Remember the future you're working toward. When you push past your limits, you're growing. Embrace that growth and let it fuel you. Don't give regret the power to haunt you. Choose action over inaction. Choose growth over stagnation. Your future self will thank you. What is your purpose? Without purpose, you're like a train on the track with no destination. Purpose gives your life meaning and direction. It doesn't have to be something grand, just meaningful to you. For me, my purpose is clear. It's building this legacy through Nova Society Finance to inspire you and others to take control of your financial future. This isn't just my story, it's a shared journey. Every moment is an opportunity to create something meaningful, to leave the world a little better than you found it. What will your legacy be? Will it be one of excuses, or will it be one of action and impact? Wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. The way you think about time, opportunity, and growth shapes your reality. Shift your money mindset and you'll shift your results. The clock is ticking. Stop waiting, stop hesitating, and start now. Be bold, be relentless, be the person you were meant to be. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push my content to more people who need to hear it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.